Did you know that not all sweeteners are created equal on a keto diet? Stay tuned to discover the truth about sugar alcohols. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of sugar alcohols and their impact on a keto or low-carb diet. Many people turn to sugar alcohols as a sweet alternative, but are they truly keto-friendly? Let's uncover the challenges and benefits. When it comes to sugar alcohols, it's essential to understand their different types and how they can affect your body. While they are lower in calories and don't cause spikes in blood sugar levels like regular sugar, some sugar alcohols can still impact your ketosis. It's important to be mindful of how much you consume to avoid any setbacks in your keto journey. The key moment arrives as we reveal which sugar alcohols are best suited for a keto diet and how to incorporate them into your lifestyle. Erythritol, xylitol, and stevia are among the top choices for those following a low-carb diet. These sugar alcohols have minimal impact on blood sugar levels and can be a great way to satisfy your sweet cravings without derailing your progress. In summary, sugar alcohols can be a valuable tool for those on a low-carb journey, but understanding their nuances is crucial. Remember, moderation is key. Thank you. And if you wanted to get access to keto-friendly products 25% to 50% below retail price, check out the link below this video. You get also a $60 gift by signing up.